This little thing on iPhone is particularly important, but it is easily ignored. The damage of it will cause abnormal function of rangefinder. The third-party AR modeling software is unavailable. Let us see how to repair it quickly. All the 2G repair devices can settle it. Prepare the V1s Pro. Long press power supply key to boot up. Take out XR-14PM rear camera, Lidar R&W module. Connect the R&W module to V1s Pro. Take out the phone that needs to be repaired. Shut it down and open the lid of it. Take out the Lidar. Buckle the Lidar on the R&W module. Click Detect to read. Connect the device to mobile phone with a USB cable. Then click Read and Bind. Remove the original Lidar. Replace with JCID Lidar. Buckle it on corresponding socket. Click Cloud Burn. Find the Lidar code that has been backed up. Then click Confirm repair is done. Remove it, change it into iPhone. Buckle the Lidar first. Then buckle the camera module. Cover the screen to test. Then turn on the rangefinder. It can be used normally. The third-party AR modeling software is available as well.